Hello everyone, welcome back to our stock analysis channel. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you saw someone wearing Nike or thought, wow, that person looks fast? Exactly, Nike stock has been running slower than me on a Monday morning, down over 60% from its all-time high, sitting around 42 to 44. Okay, as we speak, let's take a look at here. Well, the bare reality is that you can see that down over 60%, right, from all-time high. And let's have a look at its chart directly. Actually, the downward trend is getting weaker because the RSI indicator is going up, right? So, but here's the kicker. Sometimes the best trades are not about catching a falling knife. They're about catching a falling swoosh right before it bounces back. So is Nike a buy right now? Let's break it down. Nike is still the 80-pound gorilla of athletic footwear, commanding roughly 28% global market share. So under CEO Elliot Hill, a Nike lifer who took over in late 2024, the company is executing a win now turnover. Or turnaround. Think of it as swapping out your old lifestyle sneakers for performance raising flat. Revenue for fiscal 2026 sits at about 46.5 billion, and while growth has been sluggish. The North America region just posted 9% growth in Q2. The playbook is working in the home market. Now, they just need to photocopy it everywhere else. And there are several catalysts that probably bounce the stock's price. Catalyst 1, the World Cup. And this is the big one. The 2026 FIFA World Cup kicks off in June across the US, Canada, and Mexico. This isn't just a sport tournament. For Nike, it is a $1.3 billion revenue injection, according to RBC Capital Markets. Nike sponsors and the US and Canadian teams and the football bookings are already up nearly 40% compared to the 2022 World Cup. They are rolling out new kits with AeroFit cooling tech. Here causes air conditioning for the body and fresh tempo boots with tournament hosted in Nike's backyard. This is literally a home game. If you think soccer moms and Gen Z are now about to flood Nike's app with orders, you are dreaming. Catalyst 2. The running category is on fire. We are talking 20% plus growth for 2 straight plus launch should keep the momentum going. Running is the new yoga. Everyone thinks they are a marathoner now. Nike is riding that wave hard. Catalyst 3. Q4 fiscal 2026 earnings drops in late June, around June 25 to 29. This report will show whether margin expansion or inventory cleanup are actually sticking. CFO Matt Friend has been clearing out aged stock, especially in China, and the gross margins were pressured by tariffs and showing signs of stabilization. If you beat expectations, the stock could get a serious jolt. Well, I just show you the technical chart, right? The price is stand stable and the RSI indicates that they probably would be a bounce by catalyst. So what's the trade? Nike isn't a slam dunk buy. China is still a mess. Tariffs are beating, and the competition from On and Hoka is real. But with the World Cup looming, running sales printing ahead and the technicals showing early signs of life, the risk reward is starting to look interesting down here near 42 to 44. Analysts have an average price target around 59 to 65, implying roughly 40% upside if the turnover sticks. Well, that's all about Nike. That's all about it. And this presentation is for educational and entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. And past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. Okay, that's all. See you next time.